doors they open and close. Unloading the boxes, then off he goes. Can you hear those great vibrations? It's the digger digging these foundations. Dig, 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 a shovel and a scoop. The arm swings around with a swoop, swoop, swoop. So the arm on the digger goes dig, dig, dig. Yeah, the arm on the digger goes dig, dig, dig.
I'm digging these rhymes, this tune is big.
Dig, 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 mix, 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 move and shake and hammer and fix. Now it's time to clear some room. Let's push this dirt with the vroom, vroom, vroom. Billy will push this into place. He's a strong bulldozer.
Yeah, rest my case.
The bulldozer goes push, push, push. Yeah, the bulldozer goes brum, brum, brum.
I'm like a really, 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 really strong broom.
It's CJ, the cement mixing DJ. See her mixing, let's see it on replay. The tank on the mixer goes mix, mix, mix. The cement in the mixer is wet, wet, wet. You shake it and pour it and watch it set. Dig, 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 mix, 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 move and shake and hammer and fix. 1, 2, 3, come and build with me. The construction site is the place to be. What's your favourite colour? I'd really like to know. Red, blue? Oh wait, of course it's got to be yellow. To find your favourite colour, pick up a paintbrush and sing with me. Let's learn the primary colours. Red, blue, yellow. 1, 2, 3. Firstly, let's rap about red. Red, this colour tells me to stop. A cupcake with the red cherry on top. I'm gonna say I like this colour a lot. Red fire engine, great shot. What's your favourite colour? The colour of a sweet cherry. There's 3 primary colours. Red, blue, yellow. 1, 2, 3. That was great, everyone. What's our second primary colour? Blue. Can you tell me what's blue? The sky and the sea will give you a clue. Hey, Terry, what colour are you?
Wait a minute, I'm blue too.
What's your favourite colour? Blue's pretty cool to me. I'm rocking these primary colours. Red, blue, yellow. 1, 2, 3. Here comes colour number 3. Yellow. I've seen this one before. Like a baby tick or this big yellow door. Wait a minute, let me look at yellow once more. Yeah, this is my favourite for sure. Yellow is my favourite. Yellow it has to be. Yellow makes me happy, and I'm yellow, haha. Yippee! Red, blue, yellow.
The primary colours? 1, 2, 3.
We've learnt our primary colours, but what other colours do you know? If you mix red, blue, and yellow, you can make a whole rainbow. Bam, bam. Come on, girls and boys, counting to 10 is easy when you can rhyme. My wheels are turning, I think it's time. Yeah, yeah, to get on board with the numbers rhyme. Let's go. 1, 2, the sky is so blue. 3, 4, open my door. 5, 6, oh no, I need a quick fix. 7, 8, are my wheels on straight? 9, 10, let's rhyme again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 1 to 10. I'm in my flow, I'm rhyming 1 to 10. Let's learn the numbers, can you shout them out again? Counting is easy when you're having so much fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good, 10 from the top with 1. That was great, everyone. Are you ready to try it again? Here we go.
1, 2,
The sky is so blue.
3, 4.
Open my door. 5, 6, oh no, I need a quick fix. 7, 8, are my wheels on straight? 9, 10, let's rhyme again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 1 to 10. I'm in my flow, I'm rhyming 1 to 10. Let's learn the numbers, can you shout them out again? Counting is easy when you're having so much fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good, 10 a cute flying buzzy little bee. Tree rhymes with bee. What other rhymes can you see? Haha. Hey, look now, there are three flying so high above me. Tree, bee, sea, three. Me, I'm on a rhyming spree. Driving through town, let's see what we can run. How many different rhyming words can you rap on the beat in time? It's time to go, so climb aboard. Let's rap about what we see. Count to the music, 1, 2, 3. Then bust a rhyme with me. Yeah, let's break it down here. Count with me. Yeah, the children on the bus say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the children on the bus say 1, 2, 3. I'm Buster, the bus, come and ride with me. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm is the greatest band that you will ever know. You can stomp your feet to the farmland beat, or you can bop your head or jump around instead. If you want to see the greatest show, old MacDonald's farm is where to go. Letty Lamb on the drum, she's laying this beat.
Bop along to my rhythm and hear me bleat. Ba, 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 ba. Clap your hands. Check this beat, it's real sweet.
If you want to see the greatest show, old MacDonald's farm is where to go. Dylan Duck on guitar, he's winding it back.
I'm strumming and rocking, can you hear me quack? Quack, 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 quack. I'll play a casual solo in the middle of this track.
If you want to see the greatest show, old MacDonald's farm is where to go. We got Pablo the pig on the piano, the best piano playing pig on this whole show.
Oink, 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 oink. I'm a master of the keys, watch my hooves go.
I know what you're thinking, how can you play with who?
Well, I'm super duper speedy when I get in the groove.
If you want to see the greatest show, old MacDonald's farm is where to go. Carlos the calf on the double bass, he's bopping and a grooving all over this place with a
Moo, 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 moo. Hey, watch me play bass at this crazy pace.
Introducing the best band in LBB land. It's the Farmland Quartet. Letty the Lamb,
Ba, ba, ba.
Dylan the Duck,
Quack, quack, quack.
Pablo the Pig,
Oink, oink, oink.
Carlos the Calf.
Moo, moo, moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm is the greatest band that you will ever know. Nino, Nino, emergency. Which special service will it be? If you have a problem, let's find out. Which of them do we call out? Nino, Nino, emergency. Hello? Which special service will it be? She's Amber, and she's your pick. If you're hurt or feeling sick, an ambulance is what you need. She'll be on her way at lightning speed. Nino, Nino, off we go. Amber is a real pro, so when an ambulance is what you need, she'll be on her way at lightning speed. Nino, Nino, emergency. Which special service will it be? If you have a problem, let's find out. Which of them do we call out? Nino, Nino, emergency. A fire truck keeps things cool, shiny and red, kicking it old school. So if you see things up in flames, call for Ashley, 'cause that's her name. Nino, Nino, off we go. Ashley is a real pro, putting out fires all over town. Yeah, shooting water up and down. Nino, Nino, emergency. Which special service will it be? If you have a problem, let's find out. Which of them do we call out? Nino, Nino, emergency. What about robbers, bandits and crooks? Call him up and he'll take a look. They call him Otis and he'll protect you, 'cause he's the police and that's what they do. Nino, Nino, off we go. Otis is a real pro. If you need someone to protect you, call the police, 'cause that's what they do. Nino, Nino, problem, let's find out. Which of them do we call out? Nino, Nino, emergency. Hello? Which special service will it be?
Something you can. If you really want to do it, work hard and get to it. If you really want to do something, you can. Get yourself to space. I've been up in that place, flying a rocket. Now you just can't top it. Be a hero engine, I'm not pretending. Putting out fires, wow. Actually show me how. Undersea so green, in a little submarine. Trying your best is the way to success. If you really want to do something, you can. If you really want to do something, you can. If you really want to do it, work hard and get to it. If you really want to do something, you can. Maybe with instruction, you'll learn construction. Let's get that in the mix and fix. You can work in a team, living out your dream. Getting in your groove, playing pass and move. This is not a test. Show us all your best. Now you're on a roll, reaching for your goal. If you really want to do something, you can. If you really want to do something, you can. If you really want to do it, work hard and get to it. If you really want to do something, you can.